Water technology produces active chlorine, useful for water treatment and disinfection. WATA-Plus produces 15 liters of sodium hypochlorite solution at 5 grams per liter in 2 hours. One production allows, for example, the treatment of 75,000 liters of water and a production of 37.5 liters of surface disinfectants. Kit contents: WATA-Plus, AC/DC power supply to connect to the network, user guide, pH paper, thermometer. You will also need 375 grams of ordinary salt, 15 liters of clear water, plastic jug, 30 liters, measuring bucket, 10 liters or 15 liters, funnel, logbook downloadable on the website, protective gloves. Clear water is mandatory to use water technology. To ensure that you have clean water, please take the usual manual. Fill a clear container with water. You should be able to distinguish, even faintly, the water logo. If not, your water must be filtered. Measure 375 grams of salt. Pour 15 liters of clear water into the jug using the measuring bucket. Verify that your water is between 20 degrees and 27 degrees with a pH between 6.5 and 8.5. Add the salt. If your salt is raw or unrefined, let the salt impurities settle at the bottom of a bucket of water. Pour the solution into the electrolysis jug and filter it through a coffee filter or a tightly woven clean cloth. If necessary, add more water to obtain 15 liters. Mix well and make sure that the salt is completely dissolved. Immerse the WATA-Plus device in the solution. Connect the power supply to the network and to the WATA-Plus. Place the power supply as far as possible from the production so as not to damage it with chlorine fumes. Start the electrolysis by pressing the power switch, then press the button for 2 seconds to reset the timer. The LED light turns green and bubbles appear in the solution. Avoid breathing chlorine gas and ventilate your production area well. Protect yourself with gloves and masks. Don't forget to record information in the logbook. In the event of a power outage, the electrolysis process will restart once power is available again. At the end of production, the process stops automatically. The LED flashes green. Switch off the power supply. Unplug the water and immerse it in clear water. The device has a self-cleaning function of the electrodes. You only need to rinse it. Store the chlorine solution in an opaque, non-metallic, clean, closed container and label it with the production date. Before using the chlorine, it is essential to check its concentration with the water test reagent. Use the active chlorine within 24 hours or stabilize it with the water stab kit.